Hi, do you have a problem and you actually don't know what is the solution for that problem and you are interested in finding a solution? Hi, I am Preeti and in today's video I will be sharing, yes, it is a pick a card reading and it has 4 different options. In this video you have to select one option. You have to just quiet down your mind, focus on your problem and then look at the 4 different options that are given in this video. I will be sharing shortly what those 4 options are, and then based on whichever option is calling out to you, which what your gut feeling says, which option you should select one option that is pulling your attention. Okay, and then based on whichever that option is, first, second, third or fourth, watch the video from the timestamps given below. Okay, so yes, so let's see the clip that you would like to see all the options is just given here. Okay, so just in case if you selected this first option, okay, it is a Celestite geode. So just in case if you selected this, let's get into the reading. Okay, solution to your problem. So we have a lot of cards here. Okay, so let's see what is the solution for that. Okay, so the first card is this, the second is this one. So let's get started with all the cards. So I do feel that initially your problem is something has happened against your will. Okay, a problem has come, something that you did not expect, you did not want. That kind of problem has happened. But now you just have to comply with it. You just have to go with it because you have that problem. Okay, so this is the initial situation that yes, you have about your problem. Okay, now this is the second thing. Okay, now this card says though you were unhappy about this thing happening, still you have to just go ahead. Okay, just because this problem has come, you have to go ahead. You have to yes, you have to take that as a stepping stone, as an opportunity, and go ahead and try to solve it. Try to bring out solutions for it. Okay, that is what you have to do. Actively participate in this problem, in solving this problem. Okay, don't like sit and cry over that, oh, this has happened, I did not want it to happen. Don't do that. The third is this card. Okay, once you try to attempt some solutions, then just wait and see whether the solutions that you are applying are those really working. Okay, if it's not working, does it need any alteration or not? You need to try to do that. One thing is there, I do see a pregnancy card. It may be a pregnancy that you did not expect. Okay, it can also be a pregnancy. It can be either that you are pregnant, somebody around you, somebody close to you is pregnant, and this pregnancy is not called for. Okay, you never expected, you never wanted, but that is happening. And but this card is reminding you that, you know, just because you are pregnant, you know, childbirth is something that brings blessings into the world. So this card is reminding you, though this happened just out of coincidence without you expecting, still this thing has come to you for a blessing. Okay, it has come to you as a blessing. This card shows that you may need to move into a new house. Okay, you may need to move into a new house just because maybe you are pregnant. You may need to move into a new house. You can rent a house or you can own a house if owning a house is possible for you. Okay, and if you move, okay, that would be the right direction. It is actually going to be the right direction for you. And you know, there are now these two cards. Okay, this card says music for manifesting plus dream big. So you know, somehow I do feel something related to the pregnancy thing. I feel that it is necessary that you use Garbha Sanskar music for bringing some good qualities, some good virtues to the unborn child. And dream big. Try to visualize a very healthy child. Try to visualize a very nice and happy child, and your child will be improving inside. Okay. Also, just because we have the pregnancy card, yes, a lot of chances of an actual pregnancy is possible here. But at the same time, I do feel it can be like an idea with which you are like becoming pregnant. This idea is something you have been carried on since like a very, very long time. And this is the year you have to give birth to that idea. Okay. And in that case, the new home card would be, it would be a new place where you are manifesting that idea. And yes, see, manifesting something, having an idea is very easy. Having $1 million business idea is super easy. But manifesting that into reality, that is super difficult. Okay. So you will require like music for manifesting. Use a lot of music while you're working on your idea. Okay. Dream big, use nice visualizations so that yes, so that you can actually make your idea like turn out really successful. Okay, so yes, to for that is we do have that. Okay, so this card says to manifest rapidly. Think about your desire while you dream, hum, sing, or play music. So while the music is playing, you are singing, you are just humming on to something. Try to think about your desires. Okay, that actually manifests those desires very quickly. This card says, let go small things about yourself, see yourself succeeding. So if it's about the pregnancy, yes, see yourself successfully giving birth. If it is giving birth to the idea, see yourself successfully giving birth to the idea. Don't have any fears take over you. Don't feel that, oh, how will I do this? Will I be able to be successful in this? Don't think all of that stuff. Okay. So yes, so that is the reading for you. I hope that this reading has helped you. Let me know in the comments, how did this reading help you, and yeah, how all of this stuff just manifested in your life. Okay. So yes, I will see you again in my next video. Until then, yeah, bye bye. Okay, so just in case if you selected this wand, it's a selenite wand. So let's see what is coming for you in your reading. Okay, so your reading, okay, let me show you all the cards. First we have the Empress, then the Ten of Pentacles, Four of Swords. Okay, so let's see what do they say. So your problem is something that involves having a lot of money or manifesting a lot of money. Somehow we do have two cards here. Yes, both are the cards that show abundance. Okay, so just in case if you want a lot of money, you need a lot of money, you need a lot of capital for beginning something, need a lot of investment for beginning something, that will be available to you. Okay, plus if it is not available, these cards do point out that you can even take a loan, because something that about your problem, it can be manifested into very nice and positive way. So taking a loan also will not be a problem. Okay, it won't be like a burden to you in future. The next card is this. Okay, This card says that a lot of stress is surrounding this problem, okay, which is already visible because you are so stressed, you are so tensed. This card is reminding you that take rest regularly. Okay, do take regular resting times, do take naps, it is essential. This card says practice, practice, practice. Okay, I do have two cards for healing, one cards for change. This is for practice. You know, if you are, yes, there can be like a number of variety of problems for which somebody can select even this option. So I am just saying all the stuff that I can think of from these cards. So you connect with that with your problem. Okay, so you'll know what exactly it means for you. With daily practice, you can polish your skills and talents and increase your confidence. So this card reminds you that you need to practice something daily. Anything that you want to master, any problem you have, see, you have a problem about something where you are not a master at it. You need to learn something, you need to apply knowledge and become a master at that. How will you do that? You will practice that. So as to get mastery in that. We have two cards that show healing. Okay, so healing is, this card is saying, as your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new blessings and love. It is important that you heal yourself from old emotional pains. You know, I have seen people, they hold on to so much grudges. No, I will not forgive that person. That person will have this and this problem, that problem, because they did this to me. You know, you need to heal yourself emotionally. You don't have to hold on to grudges. You don't have to hold on to you don't have to hold on to negativity just because people hurt you. See, they did bad karma, they will pay for it. Whether you do something or not, whether you take the revenge or not, they are still going to pay for the karma. Okay, so you're not supposed to waste time after them. Okay, so yes, just try to heal from the trauma. Let go. You don't have to hold it on, just let it go. Okay, again we have a card that reminds healing. Okay, somehow some healing related to your mother is needed. As your feelings towards your mother heal, your desires manifest more rapidly and accurately. Okay, so somehow, you know, since childhood, you are aware of the fact that your parents are not perfect. Yes, your parents are your well-wishers. Nobody else in this world cares for you how your parents do. But still, you know that they are not perfect, even though they are your well-wishers. So there may be some things from your mother's side that has hurt you, that needs healing. So you need to forgive your mother at bedtime. Just pray that you let go of all the negative feelings for your mother and send blessings for her. Okay, that will actually help you manifest, that will help you solve your problems quickly. Okay, the next card is a blessed change. A major life change brings you great blessings. So from this problem, you know, once you solve this problem, there is a major change happening, a major and a positive change happening because of this problem, which is actually good for you. Okay, so sometimes, yes, you know, as I always say, problems are always something, it's always opportunities that you have yet not understood what exactly is coming your way. So problems, yeah, so situations that you cannot understand are the things that people label as problems. So this is also the same thing. Though whatever your problem is, you will be able to solve it. First, emotional pain has to be released. Emotional, emotional problems with mother has to be released. Take regular rest. Take regular naps. While you do all of this, Your problems will slowly subside. Okay. Plus, also try to polish your skills and talents to increase your confidence. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that this reading helps you. Let me know in the comments how has this video helped you. Okay, I will see you again in my next video. Okay, so just in case if you selected this lotus, okay, this lotus if you selected, even if you could not understand what exactly this shape is, still, yeah, you could see something, right? So if you selected this, let's see what the cards have to say for you. Okay, so first we have these three cards. Let's see what they mean for you, for your problem. How exactly you can solve your problem through these cards. Okay, so first we have this card which shows some kind of hardship. Either it is something on your health that is affecting you, which is actually difficult for you. In this, the card says you need to take somebody's help. Okay, take somebody's help in order to improve your health. Just in case if your problem is about health, in case your problem is about money, okay, it shows that there is a scarcity of money. And yes, it may be like a lot of hardships that you are facing. But this card says that it is important that whatever hardships you are going through, you don't have to go through it alone. Okay, so try to take help from people. If you have some people who can lend you money, just try to take money, take loan, and yes, start improving your life. Okay, the second card is this. We have the Page of Swords, which shows that though this kind of situation has come, still your mind is super active, your mind is super duper aware, and it has brought several good concepts in your mind, several good ideas in your mind, which you can definitely work on. Okay, and any idea, some very good idea, some very good perspective has just sprouted, which can result into future success. And yes, just because we have this means you will be able to solve this problem. You will be able to successfully solve this problem. Okay, in future, you will be able to win through this situation. But yes, it will take like a very, very nice and sharp mindset to deal with it. The next we have these cards. Okay, this is saying you have got the power. Okay, so use your abilities to resolve this situation. You can do it. So whatever situation is, this card says that you have the ability to solve that situation. One good thing. The next card we have here is connect with nature. Okay, you are rejuvenated and inspired by spending time outdoors. Many times people take this very lightly. They feel that, oh, it's okay. But to spend time outdoors in nature, it connects you with natural energies. It connects you with energies that you brought naturally within you. So once you connect with nature's energies, it will be easier for you to solve your problems. Okay, so try to connect with nature as often as possible, at least 4 to 5 times a week. Okay, ask for what you want. So go out in nature, let the universe and other people know what you need. Okay, so yes, just because we have this card also, which shows that don't keep on struggling. If you need help, ask that help from people. This card also says the same thing. If you need any help, ask for that help. So anybody, sometimes people feel that anybody who are able to help you, they're able to figure out that you need help. Don't make this like an assumption game. If you need help, respectfully ask for that help and you will get it. Okay. The next is this. Your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. So this card is a reminder that no matter whatever is going on through all of these cards, yeah, whatever I told you earlier, Still, your intuition is also acting. Though you are going through a hard time, your intuition is super active and it is guiding you. It is giving you the right direction. Okay, so take action based on what your intuition is telling you. Next, rest. You have been working hard, take a nap and get some rest. So, resting is important. I do see that this hardship time, if you have any health issues, definitely you will be requiring a lot of rest. At the same time, if you have financial issues, if you have, yeah, if you are not having a safe place to live, then also you require rest. So in any hardship kind of situation, remember that you need to take constant resting periods. Okay, so yes, so that is essential. And yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that you got your solution for your problem from these cards. Yes. So yeah, so let me know in the comments how did this video help you, and share this video with as many people who have problems so that this video can help them as well. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you again in my next video. So finally we have this mala. It is a quartz crystal mala. Obviously, if you did not know what this is, still you were able to see some shapes, some beads, right? So based on that, if you have selected this mala, let's go ahead and see what is the solution for your problem. Okay, so here we have several cards. First, we have these 3 cards. Okay, let's see what are the cards saying for you. First, it is this card. So this card says that, there is, yes, a very good family life is essential for you to make. It may happen that your family is not perfect. You need to build up this kind of perfection for your family. A lot of times people feel that, yes, everybody has set kind of mentality that this is exactly how people in my family have to behave. Yeah, definitely you don't want druggists, you don't want criminals in your family. That is like a basic rule that has already been put on the side. It is already locked in permanently. But apart from that, there can be some times when people have to let go of something else. Okay, let people explore in your family. People in your family, just give them full freedom to be what they are. Okay, so this reminds that having a perfect family, it's not picture perfect for everyone. A perfect family's definition is not same for every family in the world. So you will have to see what exactly you define a perfect family for you. Okay, so yes, don't make that definition difficult such that it becomes impossible for your family to match according to that definition. This card. Yes, this card says that, yeah, if your family has some problems, try not to share those problems with everyone. There are chances that when people have family problems, they just start sharing it. They share it with everyone. Share it with only 1 or 2 people, and share and keep some things secret. See, I don't know, sometimes people actually they don't feel that certain problems can exist even in other families. They just have a unique family that has like a couple of very bad problems. But very bad problems have always come in usually all the families throughout the world, but you did not know because they did not share it with you. Same thing is told to you here. Don't share your problems, especially your family problems, all the bad stuff that you are going through. Just share it with 1 or 2 people who are very close to you, who are really your well-wishers. Okay, otherwise maximum people, they are just interested in gossiping. Oh, what happened in their family. Oh, this happened. How can they do this and that and all that stuff. You don't want that kind of gossip to happen, right? You want that your family is nice and well preserved. the family integrity is preserved. For that, just try to share the problem only with selected 1 or 2 people. This card says that it can be a problem about kids in your family, children in your family. If you have grown up son and daughter, then also this problem can be about them. But it is just that you just have to trust them for an instance, because yes, sometimes they might want to explore something that you may not have explored. But new generation is different. If they are not doing any crime, if they are not into drugs, if they are not into any bad company, and they just want to try out new stuff, like they just want to try out, they just want to allot a full year to figuring out their career, and then try something else the next year. If in this year they did not find out that that's good, that's totally fine. Let them explore it. Careers have changed a lot since past few years. What you had as a career, children don't have to go through the same kind of choices for them also as a career. Okay, so let them have their own freedom. The next is this card. Okay, so this is the card for spring. Your desires fully manifest as flowers begin to bloom. Okay, so whatever your desires are, okay, so your desire might be about improving your family life, improving the situation, the problems in your family. It says whenever the spring arrives, those problems will start diminishing. So yes, I don't know from which part of the world you are, but wherever you are in the world, the problem will start diminishing when spring begins in your area. Okay, this card says, yes, see, this is so very much clear, because you have a family related problem, you may be trying really hard to control everybody in the family. Okay, but this card says, stop trying. Stop trying so hard to control everything, and all the doors will open for you. Okay, so stop trying to control everything and everybody around you. Whatever your problem is, once you just let go and surrender to the universe, slowly all the doors, all the solutions will start coming to you. This card shows protection. You and your loved ones and your possessions are safe and protected. Okay, so yes, you and your loved ones are definitely protected, but at the same time, as I told you, that don't try to leak any secrets about your loved ones. Okay, protect the secrets of your loved ones, even if they are not behaving like loved ones for the moment. Okay, it's not that, see, this is not how feelings are. This is not how relationships are, that when they are like good, you like preserve their secrets. Once that relationship turns bad, you start exploiting by sharing their secrets to everyone. That is not what a relationship is. If you care about people, you will maintain their secrets even when that relationship is not going well. Okay, this card is about morning affirmations. See, morning affirmations are very, very powerful. Okay, say positive affirmations each morning to open the gates of manifestation. So if you're not happy with something that's happening in your life, and not happy with some people in your family, some loved ones, say affirmation that my relationship with this person is improving every day. Okay, so say this affirmation early in the morning as you wake up. Whenever you wake up from your sleep, say this affirmation at least 10 to 15 times. Okay, and then just resume your day. You will definitely see an improvement in your relationship with this person. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you. Let me know in the comments below, how did this reading help you? How did this video help you? Okay, and try to share this video with as many people as you can, because yes, everybody wants a solution to their problems, right? So yes, I'll see you again in my next video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Okay, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.